Preheat the oven to 200 degrees. This is going to be a really quick recipe. I have an extra piece of dough from a baguette recipe that I made the other day. This is just about a grapefruit size piece of dough. Let's use fresh rosemary, fresh thyme, and some small red onions that I cut up into circles. Drizzle with olive oil. Drizzle olive oil in the bottom of the baking pan and spread out the dough. I'm using a baguette dough here, but it's going to work perfect for this flatbread. Decorate and you're ready to put it in the oven straight away. You don't need to let it rise from here. If you like crispy crust, make a steam bath.